Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize tax deductions tracking with Keeper Tax, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by downloading the Keeper Tax app from your device's app store. Install the app and launch it on your device. Create an account by providing your email address and choosing a secure password. Once logged in, you will be greeted with an introductory screen. Familiarize yourself with the app's interface and navigation options. Access the settings menu by tapping on the gear icon. Select the option for tax deductions tracking. You'll be prompted to connect your financial accounts for automated tracking. Choose the financial institutions you want to connect with Keeper Tax. Log in with your credentials for each institution as prompted. Ensure you allow Keeper Tax to access your transaction history for accurate tracking. Once your accounts are connected, the app will begin analyzing your transactions. Review the categorization of your expenses provided by Keeper Tax. You can manually edit any entries that may be incorrectly categorized. Keep track of your expenses throughout the year for maximum benefit. Utilize the app's features to capture receipts by either scanning them or uploading images. Make sure to categorize your receipts correctly according to tax deduction guidelines. Periodically review your tracked deductions to stay informed about your finances. At tax time, export your deduction report directly from the app. Use this report to simplify your tax filing process and ensure accurate deductions. If you have any questions, access the help section for additional guidance. Stay updated with any changes to tax laws that may affect your deductions. Regularly check for app updates to ensure you have the latest features. Utilize Keeper Tax's resources for tips on maximizing your deductions. Finally, maintain good record-keeping practices to support your deductions throughout the year. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.